Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today, I'm so excited to tell you about the most amazing hotel I found, Villa Valentina chales com lareira e churrasqueira in the breathtaking Campos do Jordao, Brazil. Seriously, the name itself just makes you want to curl up with a good book, doesn't it? Before we dive in, don't miss out on all the juicy details. Scan the QR code on screen right now. It'll take you straight to their website to check availability and start dreaming. Okay, get this. Villa Valentina is this absolutely charming, 4-star hotel that just oozes cozy luxury. I mean, from the second you arrive, you're enveloped in this warm, inviting atmosphere. The staff is incredibly friendly, and check-in's a breeze, smooth and easy so you can start relaxing right away. They kick things off at 2 p.m., giving you plenty of time to settle in before you start soaking up the good vibes. But here's the best part, honestly. Each chalet is a little slice of heaven. Seriously, they're designed to be super intimate and relaxing. Imagine this. You've been exploring all day, taking in the stunning scenery, and now you can retreat to your own private chalet that has a fireplace. Picture yourself curled up with a glass of wine, the fire crackling, just pure bliss. And if that wasn't enough, each chalet also has its own private barbecue area. Yes, really. Can you imagine grilling up a delicious feast with the incredible views all around you?
Pure perfection.
And listen, if you're traveling with little ones, Villa Valentina is amazing for families. They have a fantastic child-friendly policy, where children from 0 to 2 years old stay for free. Talk about a great way to make a family vacation even more special and affordable. Oh, and of course, they have fast and free Wi-Fi, so you can stay connected and share all your amazing vacation photos, of course. So are you ready to experience the ultimate getaway? Villa Valentina is waiting. Don't forget to click the link in the description, or even better, scan the QR code now. Trust me, you'll want to book your stay ASAP. I'm already dreaming of going back. See you in the next video.